Hey there, thanks for watching my MailerLink review by Branson Tay, where I'm not just going to walk you through this sales page or show you a pre-recorded demo like a lot of other marketers do. I'm Susie, I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today. This honest review is actually based on my opinion of logging into this platform myself, and I'm going to take you with me as I research the dashboard, the strategy they're trying to get you to use, and any problems that I see with it. If you guys are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to see how we do it. While you're down there, please hit the like button, subscribe to be notified when our next video comes out, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them for you. Now let's see what MailerLink promises us. They are introducing the true world's first email traffic solution. We're going to press send, and that's going to equal a mail blast for any link for free buyer traffic in just 20 seconds. Every time they send one mail blast out, they earn $412. There is no website, no experience, no tech skills, and no email list needed. This is a 100% new, never before seen solution. Autopilot buyer traffic in 20 seconds, and it works in any niche you want. All right, enough of that. Let's get into the dashboard. Here we are in MailerLink's dashboard. Immediately when I came in, it looked very familiar to me. I actually did a review on a product called Magic by another product creator called Billy Dar, and the dashboard looks exactly the same. You have your 3 statistics and then deals from Warrior Plus and JV Zoo on that product. And on MailerLink, we have the 3 statistics with deals from JV Zoo, and they decided to use ClickBank here. But it looks exactly the same. And guys, it works exactly the same as well. There is one difference, and we'll get to that in just a second. So they are trying to give you the option to come in here and find an offer. They're trying to give you a place to put that offer so that you can show it to people, and then they are trying to give you the people to sell it to. So let's take a look at finding offers. Again, they're sticking with the 3 main, which is JV Zoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. There is no statistics on here. They tell you the best way to learn about a product is from the sales page. And if this sales page is trying to tell us anything, that is not true. So what you want to do is go into the platform, find what you're looking for, and see if there are any statistics and do a little research on the people that made it. You can see Branson Tay only has a 2-star review. He's also put out 7 products. None of his products have a very high rating. So these are the statistics that you're going to want to see. If we look at ClickBank, they actually give us an average dollar conversion. And then they also give us some recurring and some gravity, some more statistics so that we know how this product performs. There is another company out called Digistore24. They are like ClickBank, where there is no waiting approval period. If you guys are interested in learning more about Digistore24 affiliate marketing for beginners, be sure to click the link to the video above, where Kim goes into that in great detail. Next, they do give us a page builder where they want us to create pages to send out. The minute you come in here, I looked at their templates to choose from, which are unique and new and never been seen before. Yet again, on the Magic application, it is exactly the same templates down to the one with the phone and the Eton Bonjo, the one with the phone and the Eton Bonjo. So these are not new templates. Anybody who's bought any of these previous products that are using them will have the same templates that you do. So they are not going to be unique or creative. If we were to choose a template, they do give you the option to come in and edit it how you see fit. And there is also an option to enter your autoresponder information here. You would then be able to download it. Next, they give you an image creator. It's super basic. They give you the same pictures over and over again, even when they tell you you can choose from a plethora of templates. Same pictures, just different overlays. This is just a really cheap version of Canva. Canva is free. They have all kinds of templates that you can choose from for social media, anything you would need to do. This is a great alternative, and it is free. They do give you the option for a subscriber manager. If by some chance somebody does buy something from you using this product, you would need to come in and set up your group. Then you could add them to your contact books. We do have email marketing. That is what they want you to use this for, is to start an email campaign. But to do this, you will need a Mandrill, Mailgun, or SendGrid. Most of these offer a free trial, but you will have to pay for them. And then they give you the email campaign, some templates, and an email sequence campaign. The problem is they don't tell you what you need these for, how to use them, or what to do with them. And if you stick with me, I'll touch on that in just a little bit. This is the big problem I see with MailerLink, is when we go to the get lead, they are actually giving you leads with this product. So you're going to type in a keyword. For me, it would be affiliate marketing. You would click the analyze button. On the right, it does pull up all of these emails. They have scraped these emails from the internet. And if you guys want to know more about that in detail, be sure to check out the video linked above about email scraping truths. I do not know where they've come from. MailerLink tells you they are pre-qualified, but they do not tell you where they come from. This is an email scraping app. It's a lead harvester. And all of those words are interchangeable. You can call it an email harvester, you can call it a lead scraping, you can call it email scraping. All of those mean the same thing, where you go out and you scrape the internet for leads, and these people don't know who you are. So affiliate marketing is my keyword, and somehow these people are supposed to be interested in affiliate marketing, but they do not know me. And because they do not know me, that means that they are a cold lead. So what does that mean? If we look at the different leads, they are called cold, warm, and hot. These are the levels of leads. If you have a cold lead, they have no previous experience with the brand or the business. They have never showed interest in the brand or the product, and they will more than likely not be happy about being contacted out of the blue. If you have a warm lead, they are aware of the brand. They have expressed some interest in the brand and or its products. They may be on the mailing list. We also consider them prospects, and they can potentially turn into a customer. Now, a hot lead is just somebody that's ready to buy from you. But if we scrape email leads and send out emails, they will be cold emails. So these people don't know us. They're not going to open these emails, and if they do, they're probably just going to glance over it and then throw it in the trash. The second issue with email scraping is that it's actually against the CAN-SPAM Act of 2003. Section 5B addresses certain techniques used by spammers that were identified by Congress in 2003 as being particularly problematic, subjecting individuals who use these techniques to enhanced legal penalties. The problematic techniques prohibited by the CAN-SPAM Act are address harvesting, or email harvesting, or lead harvesting. Further down, they tell us address harvesting comprises the activity of obtaining email addresses for the purpose of sending spam by using an automatic address gathering program or process from a website or proprietary online service that has a policy of not sharing its users' emails. So address harvesting is against the CAN-SPAM Act. So what's the maximum per email fine you can be charged if you violate this act? It is $16,000 per email, and there is no maximum penalty. Now that's the United States, but if we look at the GDPR, which covers the European Union, that's actually extremely illegal, because with the GDPR, you actually have to have 2 forms of opt-in. And so what that would look like is they would freely give their name, and then they would have to have 2 buttons that they could click to say, yes, I want to get information from you, and that, yes, they've read your terms and privacy policy. So you can see this one is not GDPR compliant, and the one on the right is. Guys, if you're going to get into email marketing, you need to know the rules and the laws for all of the countries that you are going to do business in. I live in America, but if I'm going to send emails overseas to the European Union, I need to comply by the CAN-SPAM Act and the GDPR Act. So I'm held by both of those. You need to know those laws, rules, and regulations if you are serious about building a business online. So the leads that they are going to give you are going to do you no good. They're going to be low quality leads. You're probably going to get flagged as a spammer. Your open rates are going to be really low, and that's also called a bounce rate. And there's a really good chance it's going to hurt your brand. I mentioned the email marketing campaigns and sequences and templates. They give these to you, but they don't tell you why you need them or what to do with them. Found an article on Automizy about 7 email sequence examples and how to create them. And their first example is a lead nurturing email sequence. It's ideal for sending out at the beginning when a person engages with your lead magnet. So that would be giving something away like a white paper, a downloadable checklist, or an ebook. If they're interested enough in that, they will give you their email address. And then you will email them after that and give them the item and tell them thank you. Welcome them to your brand and your business and your community. You might want to remind them of who you are, that you gave them something free. You might want to give them some benefits that they get for being email subscribers. And some other content while you're nurturing in the sequence may include educational content or material that highlights your expertise. And please know that if your content for lead nurturing focuses too much on making sales and urging people to buy as soon as possible, many of them may feel overwhelmed and get turned off by your tactics. I found another article on freshworkscrm.com, and it is the ultimate guide to email sequences. This one actually shows the time frame of some of the sequences. Say somebody opts into your checklist at Tuesday at 5 p.m. Well, you send them the checklist because they automatically get it, right? So then you want to add them into an email sequence. And maybe on Friday night at 6 p.m. you send them the welcome email. And then you give them the weekend, and then maybe on Monday at 6 p.m. you send them an introduction to you email and a thank you email, and on and so forth. But this actually gives you a framework of what to do with an email sequence and why you would need one. And if you guys are interested in learning more about that, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below to get the same training we did to start our email sequences. They do also have a support desk button, and the last thing they give us are the upgrades. On the front end, MailerLink is $17. OTO number 1 is going to be unlimited at $47. OTO number 2 is going to be done for you at $197. OTO number 3 is monetization at $97. OTO 4 is limitless traffic at $167. OTO number 5 is a franchise partner license at $497. And OTO number 6 is the missing piece at $97. All total, your MailerLink is going to cost you $1,119. Guys, please don't waste your time or your money on MailerLink. This Get Leads section can get you in a lot of trouble. It can destroy your brand and your business. And I doubt you'll make $412 with any email sent with MailerLink. Guys, I hope this MailerLink review answered all of your questions. For honest, free training to learn how we work our email sequences, be sure to click that instant access link in the description below. If this video helped you out, be sure to give me a like. While you're down there, be sure to subscribe so you'll know when our next video comes out. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.